Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 5, latest update, coming up next. Before we get to the update, I thought I'd like to run through a history of the DJI Phantom 4. So I'm going to put a couple slides up on the screen here for you guys to take a look at. Now this article came from Wikipedia here. The Phantom 4 was released in March of 2016. The Phantom 4 Pro was released in November of 2016. The Phantom 4 Advanced was announced on April 13th, 2017. The Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian was announced at the 2017 IFA trade show. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 was announced in May of 2018, and the Phantom 4 RTK was released in October of 2018. With that, let's begin. Hey Kesteloo from Drone DJ recently put out an article on January 27th, and I'm going to go ahead and throw that slide up on the screen. And the article was entitled, Latest DJI Phantom 5 Rumors, Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 Still Out of Stock. I'm going to go ahead and get the next slide up there. I'm going to read some excerpts out of this. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 has been out of stock on the DJI online store since mid-November 2018. The rumors had been the drone was out of stock temporarily because of an issue or shortage in overpriced components from one or more suppliers. Another theory, of course, is that DJI is working hard to get ready for the launch of the DJI Phantom 5 and that the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 simply sold out prematurely. Either way, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 has been out of stock for 2.5 months now. We have heard through various sources that DJI is phasing out the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and has stopped shipping them until further notice. So with that in mind, we thought this is a good time to update you on what the latest DJI Phantom 5 rumors are. Now here are the latest rumors. A redesigned body. The DJI Phantom 5 is to have a completely redesigned body. Obstacle avoidance. The DJI Phantom 5 will have obstacle avoidance covering all 6 sides of the drone. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next slide here. The base camera on the DJI Phantom 5 is rumored to have a Hasselblad branded 1-inch sensor and 3x optical zoom. Does this mean there will be a Pro version as well? Probably. Expect the Pro version to feature the camera with the interchangeable lenses 16, 24, 35, and 50 millimeters, of which we've seen prototypes in early 2018. Top speed. The current Phantom maxes out at 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The new Phantom 5 is rumored to have a much higher top speed of 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour. Launch date. There has not been any information on when the DJI Phantom 5 might be introduced. However, based on conversations with industry insiders, we do not expect it to be launched in Q1 of 2019. It seems more likely we will be looking at a launch in late April or May. There you have it. And again, I'll post a link to the article from Drone DJ in the description so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Comes in line with everything that I have been stating previously about the DJI Phantom 5, that there would be 2 models, that there would be an Advanced and a Pro, that the Pro would have the interchangeable lenses, as we've seen before, and as we've seen plenty of pictures from before, and that it would have 6-sided obstacle avoidance, which is fantastic. You know, the one thing that we did find out from this article is from what Hey Kesteloo said, he believes that the release is not going to be in Q1 2019 based upon his industry insiders, and that it will be probably sometime in Q2. Question of the day. Do you think that there will be 2 models of the DJI Phantom 5? And if so, what do you think their price points would be? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.